gonna play at the beach. Come with me.
Okay, let's go.
Semaj's Fun Adventure.
Today, we're here at the beach where I got to play and splash in the water. And I collected some water with my bucket. I will use it to play with the sand. I have a lot of sand playset toys like shovels, rakes, molds. Play with me. Grown-ups, did you know playing in the sand is a great way for us children to build a number of different skills, both physical and social? Sand play is very tactile and helps us children learn about textures and develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This is a sand or water wheel. It has many colors like yellow, red, green, and blue. A water wheel is a mechanical device for taping the energy of running or falling water by means of a set of paddles mounted around the wheel. I really had fun playing with the water wheel. Now me and my mom are gonna pretend that we're fishing using our toys. We're gonna use a fishing toy fish rod to catch these fish. Come play with us. I caught a green toy lobster. Did you know that lobsters keep growing forever? Also, female lobsters are players and they make the first move.
3 foot of sand. Whoop.
Look, there are some fishes that sank and there are some fish that float.
Even though it's a shell.
Can you tell me the colors of the fishes that sank? Go ask your mom and dad or a grown-up to help you. I used my orange toy shovel to scoop up the fishes. This part of the video, I almost didn't show you guys. I caught a yellow toy crab. Here are some fun and interesting facts about crabs. Crabs can walk in all directions, but mostly walk and run sideways. Crabs are decapods, meaning they have 10 legs.